Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when headphones automatically starts or pause the music. And firstly, we need to check if you have the last software version. So open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. Now scroll down and go to device settings. Then tap at the system at the middle top, and now just scroll down. Right here we have update software, click the settings icon, and if you haven't, also I recommended to click update status, and it check and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, I recommended to install a new one, and it can fix this problem. But if it doesn't, or you haven't new software version like me, click OK, and then right here in the system we have pause when headphones are removed. So if this feature is enabled, and we know it by this slider, so if it have colorful background, it means that it's enabled. So when you remove your headphones from your head, it will pause the song, and when you put it on your head, it will play a song. So maybe this is your problem, and you can disable it by click at this slider. We have empty background, so we disable it. If it also didn't help you, it may be a problem of audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Firstly, just remove this application from the cache and open it again. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, I recommend it also check if you have the last version of this application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the last version. If you haven't, install a new one. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. Here we go. After that, we need to press at the same time power button and ambient sound control button was located near to the power button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed blue 4 times. So now I'm pressing hold. Here we go. Now we need to remove and add these headphones. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here click the information icon near to your headphones. If you have Android, click settings icon. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, on your Android, click pair device. And then we need to only turn on these headphones. We don't need to enter pairing mode, because after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, and we can see that the device is. Tap on it, and if you have Android, click pair after that. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!